Okay. So I guess I have not started this chapter, right? This is the last chapter, I guess. Let me check your routine ones, syllabus ones. No, one more is left. One more chapter is left.
Locomotion and movements to hoise neki.
নাই হোৱা এইটো আছেগে. Yes, this is the second last chapter then. This one, then 2 chapters are left. This one and then locomotion and movement. Okay, now digestion, all of you know digestion. Without digestion, your body cannot function. No, there will be several other problems arising because of indigestion. Indigestion means your food is not digested. So there will be different multiple problems arising if you suffer from indigestion, or if your food is not digested, and you'll also not get energy and anything. Okay, because whenever the food is digested, then only you get energy from the food. Okay, but by just simply eating and chewing and swallowing it, you will not get energy if the food is not digested. So digestion is a very essential digestive system it plays a very important role, because without digestion people will not survive. Okay, people will not get energy, and all sorts of problems might arise. Might means it will arise. So okay. So what happens in digestion is that first step will be like the food that we eat, right? Maybe rice, roti, whatever it is. So the food that we eat, that will be chewed. Okay, that will be chewed, and then it will be converted into smaller absorbable form. Okay, the complex food materials, like you can take the example of protein. And the food like you eat, right? The food you eat will have proteins, carbohydrates, starch and everything, right? And those are complex materials, and those things will need to be broken down into simpler form so that our body can use that particular thing. Okay, our body can utilize the useful stuff from that food. Okay, and please mute yourself, Samudra, Vishal. Okay, so what is that? The complex food particles or food materials that needs to be converted into simpler forms so that our body can absorb the useful stuff from the food we eat. Okay, and that process is known as digestion. Okay, and here it is given mechanical and biochemical. Mechanical, how? Because chewing is also a part of digestion. Okay, without chewing food, if you you are advised to chew your food more, right? When you chew your food more, then it will get digested fast, and if you don't chew your food, it will not get digested very soon, and some food will not get digested ever, and you will not get the useful nutrients from the food. Okay, that is why chewing of food is very essential, and that is why it is advised to chew the food as many times as you can. Okay, normally it is said 32 times. A single bite you have to chew 32 times, minimum of 32 times. No one chews 32 times. Okay, we eat our entire meal in 5 minutes. Maximum of 5 minutes we eat our entire meal, even if we are not talking to anyone else or not watching a movie. Otherwise, if you are just concentrating on the food, we will eat our meal in within 5 minutes. But that is not a very best practice. Okay, that is actually a very bad thing. That is why we people suffer from lots of those indigestion problem, those gas problems and stuff like that. No, because the food that we eat is not digested, because chewing is also a major part of digestion, okay, in the mouth that happens. So the digestive system, it comprises of alimentary canal and the associated glands. Okay, the alimentary canal and the associated glands. Glands, we have already discussed about glands earlier, like in chemical control and coordination, right? About glands. So, what are glands? Glands are organs. Those that secrete some hormones, maybe some substances, other substances, maybe, right? So, those are the glands. So, there are few glands which are associated with digestion. So that is why those are known as associated glands, means associated with digestion. Okay, and then there is the alimentary canal. So alimentary canal, it starts from the mouth. Okay, alimentary canal, it starts from the mouth. This is the diagram. You pay attention. This is very easy actually if you understand. So, and this all you have got in your like school only, I guess. And those who are from science background, so these are all simple stuff. So this is the mouth. Okay, the alimentary canal, it starts from the mouth. Okay, it starts from the mouth, and then pharynx. This portion is known as the pharynx. And then esophagus. This is a long tube-like structure. Okay, that is the food pipe. No, that is the esophagus. And then the stomach. Then small intestine. This is starting from here. Small intestine. This is the small intestine, and then it will go and meet in the large intestine. This is the large intestine, and then rectum and anus. So the alimentary canal, it starts from the mouth and ends in the anus. Okay, so starting from the mouth. So if it is asked, what does the alimentary canal comprise of? You have to, or the parts of alimentary canal, you have to write starting from mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. Okay. You can skip rectum because rectum, it is a part of the large intestine only. Okay, you can skip rectum because rectum, it is a part of the large intestine. We will discuss about each one in detail. Okay, so parts of alimentary canal, you can write mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, then small intestine, large intestine, anus. Okay, these are the major parts. And then again, small stomach is also divided into different parts. Then small intestine divided into different parts, large intestine divided into different parts. So those we will discuss now. But first, please give me a second, okay? Hello? আহিছে নেকি তুমি? কালি পৰহি so this alimentary canal, it starts from the mouth, already discussed, right? It starts from the mouth and it ends in the anus. This is not written, and here the esophagus is also not mentioned because anus and esophagus nothing to discuss much. Because esophagus, it is a long pipe, food pipe, and anus is where the excreta, it comes out. Okay, so it starts from the mouth. So inside the mouth, the empty space inside the mouth, that is known as the oral cavity or buccal cavity. Okay, remember that it is known as the oral cavity or buccal cavity. Okay, and it contains inside the mouth there is a teeth and the tongue, right? All of you know that. Okay. in the mouth, that is known as the oral cavity or buccal cavity. Okay, and that contains teeth and tongue. That all of you know, teeth and tongue. So the like in the like tongue there are buds. Have you seen those taste buds? Like if you see your tongue in the mirror, you will see small like projections. Okay, small projections or small buds. Those are known as taste buds or like papilla. Okay, those small projections, those are known as taste buds or papilla. Like many papilla, and they will form the taste buds. In your school, you have like read like this part of the tongue it gives the sweetness, and the like the side parts they give something else. Like each part of the tongue they are responsible for some like what to say individual taste. Okay, like sweet, sour, all those tastes. So those are the taste buds, like minute those small projections or pimple like stuff on your tongue. Okay, those are known as taste buds or papilla. And then there are teeth in an adult human being, like grown up. So normally they have 32 teeth. Okay, total of 32 teeth. But some people they have 28 teeth, even though they are like old. They are much older, but still they have 28 teeth, because the four teeth that are like at the end of your mouth, at the end, extreme end, those four teeth, those are known as wisdom teeth. That is a common knowledge, all of you know. That is known as wisdom teeth, and most and like among the population, like 60% of the population will not have that one wisdom teeth. Okay, so that is why most
No,
of
ma'am, your voice is not clear.
okay, is it clear now? Can you hear me? Yes, please respond.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Not clear. Okay, wait. You will soon be coming to the university, no? You will also experience this. Network is too bad here. Hilly area, no? That's why. So bad network. Can you hear me now? Am I audible now? Hmm? No, I guess no. Is it audible now? Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I was telling, like here now in the university, the network is too bad. Anyone opting to stay here in these hostels will suffer a lot for this network issues. Sometimes it is good, sometimes Jio and Airtel, sometimes it is good, but then sometimes it is not good. In this area only, not only inside the campus, but this area only. So hilly area, no, the outside outskirts, that is why. Okay, just tell me, okay, if you cannot hear, let me know, either in chat box or can say. Okay, so in an adult there are 32 teeth, and those like 4 teeth at the end, those are known as wisdom teeth. And those wisdom teeth, they, for some individual, they do not appear. Okay, they do not appear, and like most, that is why most people, they have only 28 teeth. Okay, but generally a normal human being, he or she should have 32 teeth, okay, in total. And there are 4 types of teeth. Okay, and all of you know, like in the babies, during milking stage, in the babies, they have some teeth and they fall off at a certain age. No, they come off and they fall off, and that is known as the milk teeth, right? Milk teeth, and that comes off at certain age, at a certain age. Those milk teeth, they come off and new teeth appear, right? New teeth appear, and that new teeth, they will have, that adult teeth, they will have 32, okay, till like the end. So 32 teeth are there in adult human beings, and there are 4 types of teeth. First is incisor, that is the front one, front, okay, like front 4, like upper jaw also 4, and front lower jaw also 4. Those are known as incisors. Okay, those who have 32, they will have those who have 32 teeth, they will have all these numbers according to this dental formula. Dental formula we will discuss, but for now just remember this, that the 4 teeth that is in front, in your upper jaw and lower jaw. Upper jaw means up portion, and lower jaw means low portion. So that jaws, the 4 teeth that is in between the upper jaw and the lower jaw, 4 4 8, those are the incisors. Okay, and canines are the teeth that is at the side of the what to say, the incisor, that is like at the both side there will be 1 1 1 1. Okay, the front upper jaw also 2, and lower jaw also 2 at the sides of the incisors, like this, like there will be 4 incisors, and one side will be 1 canine, one other side will be 1 canine, on left 1 canine, right 1 canine. Okay, that is why 2 canines on upper jaw and 2 canines on lower jaw. Then there will be premolars. Okay, premolars are also 4. 4 means on upper jaw there will be 4, like 2 on left, 2 on right, there will be 4, and same for lower jaw also, so total of 8. 8 premolars. And molars are the extreme end teeth, like 3 at the end, on the left side, 3 on the right side, on the upper jaw, and same for the lower jaw. Okay, so total of 6 and 12. Okay. Okay. Darshana, please mute your mic. Darshana Kashyap. Please mute yourself. I'm trying to mute you, but it's not working. Please mute yourself. There is a bird, and can you hear me, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear the bird? I'm just
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Darshana. Just mute yourself. I'm trying to mute you, but I don't know why it's okay. But it was not working. I felt as if the bird came and like shouted at my ear. Okay, so there are 4 and 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolars, and 12 molars. Total, if you count, it will be 32. Okay, and now this is the dental formula. Dental formula is 2123 divided by 2123. This 2123 is for the upper jaw, and this 2123 for the lower jaw. Okay, and this one is divided. This one is showing only one side, that is either the left side or the right side you can take. Okay, so only one side, like there are this first two stands for incisors, then this 1 stands for canine, then this 2 stands for premolar, and this 3 stands for molar. So remember that this incisor, canine, premolar, molar. Okay, incisor, canine, premolar, molar in this order, 2 1 2 3. So in the left half, if you divide your mouth into left and right, in the left half of the upper jaw there will be 2 incisor, right, and 1 canine and 2 premolar and 3 molar for those who have 32 teeth, and for those who have 28 teeth they will have only 2 molar, but generally will have 3 molar. Okay, and same for lower jaw also, 2 incisor, 1 canine, 2 premolar and 3 molar left side, and right side will also have the same. Okay, that is why since now 2, there will be 4 incisors on the upper jaw, and since here is 1, there will be 2 canine in the upper jaw, and premolar there will be 4 premolar, and there will be 6 premolar on the upper jaw, and the total will be this one plus this one. And since this is showing only one side, that is why you have to multiply it by 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, like that. Okay, yeah, so you have to, so this is the dental formula. If it is asked about a dental formula, then you have to write this formula. That is 2123 divided by 2123. This first 2 represents incisors, then canine, then this 2 represents premolar, and the last 3 represents molar. Okay, and this is only for one side, either the left or the right you can take. Okay, so I hope you understood about the dental formula. Okay, I will just discuss a little bit about pharynx. Okay, so this portion is known as the pharynx. Okay, this portion is known as the pharynx. And have you, if you like open your mouth wide, you can give your attendance. Okay, those who have not given yet, don't give multiple times, but you can give it once, those who have not given. So there is this pharynx. No, if you open your mouth wide, you will see a small tongue-like structure on the end of the throat, right? That is known as epiglottis. Okay, in Assamese we call it aljiba. That is known as epiglottis. And the function of the epiglottis. What is the function of the epiglottis? Do you know what is the function of the epiglottis? That is in the behind the that is in the pharynx region. Okay, behind the throat. So that epiglottis, function of epiglottis is that what to say? See, this is the windpipe. This is the nose. Then there will be the windpipe, and then there is the food pipe from the mouth, right? So when you swallow the food, and both pipes they will come and join here only. So when you swallow the food, you the food may go through the wrong pipe. Okay, food may go through the windpipe, and in order to prevent food from going into the windpipe, that is the function of epiglottis. Okay, the function of epiglottis is that it will prevent the entry of food Okay, it will prevent the entry of food into the windpipe. That is the pipe that goes from the nose. Okay, and it will channel the food into the esophagus. That is this food pipe. Okay, that is the function of epiglottis, and epiglottis is found in the pharynx region. Okay, then comes the esophagus. Esophagus is the what to say, the pipe, the tube. Okay, long tube. So when like your food is like you eat the food, you swallow the food will travel through the pharynx and then to the esophagus and then stomach. Okay, and now the stomach, this is, see, some people say like this whole portion to be the stomach, right? But that is not true. That is the abdomen. That is not stomach. We also we also have the habit of saying like this is the pet, right? This means pet, and like English stomach. But that is not scientifically true, because stomach is only this small bag inside that abdominal cavity. Okay, this whole portion, this is the abdomen. That is not the stomach. Okay, this is the abdomen, and the small bag, that is known as the stomach. But we people, we call the entire thing stomach. Okay, that is scientifically it is wrong, but we say it that way only. That is why that is common. But then, okay, so now the stomach is divided into three parts. Okay, stomach is divided into three parts, that is cardiac, fundic, and pyloric. Just remember the names. Stomach, it is divided into three parts, that is cardiac, fundic, and pyloric. You still can't hear. I'll try to finish this one, then from next class I can start associated glands. No. Can you hear me? No. Okay. Let's do one thing. All of you have given your attendance? Have you given your attendance? Everyone? I'll just take the attendance. Okay, I'll just take the attendance. I'll continue next class, okay, because network issues. Okay. I'll take the
Okay,
attendance
ma'am.
and okay. Next class I'll continue. Those who have given your attendance, you can leave. If you have not given, please give it.